Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to download and install VLC media player on your PC. Open your favorite browser. Go to videoland.org. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Download VLC button. Select the operating system. Wait for a few seconds. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and select Show in Folder. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Click OK to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. That's it, installation is complete. This is how you can download and install VLC media player on your PC. Thank you for watching.